Welcome back to United Steelworkers Laborweb Training. The objective of this video training is to assist local union webmasters in creating an article or story on their website. Let's go to www.myuswlocal.org/login and press enter. If you are working in Internet Explorer 10, be sure to turn on the compatibility button. The issue of the compatibility button was covered in the opening video. Enter your email address and password and click the login button. To start, we need to click on the Articles button near the top of the page, or click Manage Articles option on the left. Three options appear. They are Create an Article, View Articles, and Set Article Order. Click on Create Article. This will open the Create Article window that allows you to edit the article's properties. Select a title for your article or story in the first box. If you prefer that title not appear on your web page, you have the option of hiding it by checking the Hide Title box, but this option is only available for summary articles. Select the range of publication dates. Laborweb allows you to post content indefinitely or for a specific range of dates. Selecting an expiry date can be useful in cases where you have information such as an upcoming event that you know will be of little or no interest after that date. Select type of article. Laborweb's design is based on the idea that most articles will contain a brief summary or a teaser that will appear in the index page of the selected category with a link to the main body of the story. This is the full option that appears under Type of Article. However, in some cases you may want a summary to appear on the index page of a category with no link to the main body. In this case, you would select Summary option. You cannot place a picture or attach a document or an asset on the summary page. Select Category. Laborweb using the left-hand navigation categories. Each article needs to be attached to a specific category. Categories are discussed in video 2. If you want the article to display on your home page as well as in your selected category, select the Display on Home Page option. By selecting the Show Read More after the Summary button, it will have the words Read More after the summary or teaser on the main page or section page. By selecting the Select Restriction option box next, you can designate that the main body of this article can only be viewed by registered users. This restriction feature will apply only to the body content and not to the summary section of the article. Setting an article as restricted can be a useful way to collect email addresses from your members. However, the level of security associated with restricted content is extremely low, and there is no verification that guarantees the registrant is a member or potential member. Therefore, never put anything on your website that you would not want to see on the front page of your local newspaper. We will discuss RSS feeds in a later video. When you are finished, click on Create Article and the article menu will appear. This concludes creating an article or story on your website. Our next video will assist webmasters in editing article content. Here is where you can find out more information on the United Steelworkers Laborweb.